if a transversal intersects two parallel lines. Everyone knows this is transversal and these two are the parallel lines. Nothing new for you. Then it is given that each pair of corresponding angles is equal. I told you that day also these two are corresponding angles, children.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
In the same way, these two are also corresponding angles. These are also corresponding angles. In the same way, this is also corresponding. Angle 1, angle 4, angle 2, angle 3, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. So we have 8 angles, and in all these 8 angles, it's true that if you have two parallel lines and one transversal, then corresponding 3. Directly you will use it. And reverse of this theorem is also true. I should say axiom, not theorem, because I told you earlier also for theorem we need proper if and buts. We need conditions. We need to prove the theorems. If a transversal intersect two parallel lines in such a way that the corresponding angles is equal, it is also true. अगर आपके पास two lines हैं and there is one transversal which is cutting these two parallel lines and you have a pair of corresponding angle, then it is also true. Then lines must be parallel. Both cases are true. अगर line parallel हैं और एक ट्रांसवर्सल वहां से जा रही है तो हमें ये कहना पड़ेगा कि ये एंगल्स जो है वो इक्वल हैं. In the corresponding angles are equal and one transversal is there, then these two lines must be parallel. These two conditions you will use directly. Any doubt in these two axioms?
No, ma'am.
No, I don't think so you feel any difficulty because already before starting this chapter we had discussed. Yes, Kunj?
Please tell me again. First, you have tell.
First axiom, this is axiom 6.3. Axiom 6.3 says if you have a pair of parallel lines and a transversal, then corresponding angles are equal. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3. This we have shown. And here it is given that angle 1 and 2 is equal. अगर angle 1 और angle 2 आपस में equal given है and one transversal is also there. Transversal होगी तभी angles equal होंगे. Corresponding angles possibly तब है जब line cross करेगी कोई transversal 1 line 2. तो line 1 is parallel to line 2. This has to be पैरेलल. ऐसा कोई कंडीशन नहीं है कि आपके पास करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल तो है बट लाइन पैरेलल नहीं है. अगर लाइंस पैरेलल हैं तो एंगल्स को इक्वल होना पड़ेगा और अगर एंगल्स इक्वल है तो लाइंस को पैरेलल होना पड़ेगा. फॉर हेल्पिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस, बेटा आई टोल्ड एनी थ्योरम, ऑल थ्योरम्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट. समटाइम्स इन एग्जाम्स व्हाट यू विल गेट, आपको केवल ये स्टेटमेंट मिलेगा टू प्रूव if a transversal intersect two parallel lines then each pair of alternate interior angles is equal. It will be a question for you. Like theorem 6.2, it is given theorem 6.2 says if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, that means what will you write in given part? आपको given क्या है बच्चों? It is given that if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, that means it is given to us that suppose I am taking it as L and it I am taking as L and M, I am taking these two parallel lines. So in given part you need to write if a transversal intersects two parallel lines then each pair of alternate interior angles is equal. So given part में आप लिखोगे line L is parallel to M. ये आपको पहले से क्वेश्चन में गिवन है कि L और M आपस में क्या है बच्चों? पैरेलल हैं. टू प्रूफ में आपका क्या आ जाएगा? 1 2 3 4. Which are the alternate interior angles in the given figure?
A, Q, R, and
Figure
PR.
is not visible. Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
What about now?
Wait.
Wait. Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Fine. I am giving names of to these angles.
1, 2, and 3 alternate interior angles.
Okay. 2 and 3 are the alternate interior angles.
Ma'am,
2 and
8 and
3
5.
and
Ma'am,
8 and 5
also.
and
Ma'am, exterior is 2 and
7
No.
and 6.
1 and 4.
Ma'am,
1 and
7.
4.
1 and 4,
7
1
and
and
6.
7
Ma'am,
and
exterior.
7 and only on alternate interior angle because it is already given in question. Then each pair of alternate interior angles is equal. So in two proof part we need to write I have taken these angles as angle 8, angle 3, angle 5, angle 2. So this relation we need to prove and this was given to us कि ये दोनों लाइंस आपस में पैरेलल हैं. हमें वर्क ऐसे करना है कि हमें एंगल 2 और 3 को इक्वल प्रूव करना है. So construction is required or not?
No.
No construction is required. It is sufficient. So in proof part what we will write, हम यहाँ से start करेंगे. Angle 2
One.
is equal to angle 5. Sorry,
1.
not angle 5. Angle 2
Okay.
is equal to angle 4. or angle 1 we can say these two are equal because we have to work according to parallel lines property. Parallel lines के according we know that angle 2 is equal to angle 4 and angle 8 is equal to angle 6
6.
from which axiom?
Corresponding angle.
6.2 corresponding angles.
3. अभी मैंने लिखा है from axiom 6 you need to write the statement of axiom 6.3.
Okay, ma'am.
I have less space. That's why I've written directly axiom 6.3 just to make you explain. लेकिन जब आप एग्जाम में करोगे तो you need to write the statement that if you have a parallel line then corresponding angles are equal. That statement you need to write in place of from axiom 6.3. So angle 2 and angle 4 are equal corresponding angle. Angle 8 is equal to angle 6 again equal according to corresponding angle. What other relation we have? हमें 2 को 3 से relate करना है. तो एक काम करते हैं 3 और 4 में एक relation find करते हैं. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Why? This I am taking equation 1, this I am taking equation 3 and this I am taking equation 3. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Why?
Vertically opposite.
Vertically opposite.
Vertically opposite angle. If according to vertically opposite angle, these two are equal, then from equation 1 and 3. From equation 1 and 3, we can say angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So that means according to these two equations, we can say angle 2 is equal to angle 3. This we have proved and remaining we'll write directly. Similarly, angle 8 is equal to angle 5. I hope it's clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it's your wish. What do you want? Either you write these angles which we have already named to give names to the figure. फिगर में एंगल्स मार्क नहीं किए और यहाँ डायरेक्टली लिख दिया दैट एंगल 2 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 4. दैट टीचर डोंट नो व्हाट इज एंगल 2 एंड व्हाट इज एंगल 4. इवन आई डोंट नो. अगर आपको मैंने इस फिगर को बनाए बिना केवल इतना सॉल्व कर दिया तो आपको कैसे पता कि एंगल 2 कौन सा है और एंगल 4 कौन सा है? ठीक है, दीज आर द बेसिक मिस्टेक्स व्हिच यूजुअली स्टूडेंट्स डू. आपको ये ध्यान रखना है फिगर बनाओ to mark all the angles. Otherwise, give them O, A, B, C. This kind of angle names you can give. It's your wish. What you want to give. Either give them 1, 2, 3, 4 or A, B, C, D. Whatever. It's your wish. Completely depends on you what you want to assume. But when you use these angles, then you have to mention what are angle 1, what are the angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, X, Y, Z. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
One more thing. In MOOC, you can see this theorem is given in proper language form. You don't require this much of language. आपको डायरेक्टली करना है, बस आपको यहाँ रीजन जरूर लिखना है because for these reasons you have a mark. मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है from axiom 6.3. आपको लिखना है statement of axiom 6.3. ये axioms आपके टेक्स्ट पे होने चाहिए, आपको लर्न होने चाहिए. axiom 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, 6. whatever axioms are there. जब आपको लर्न होंगे तो डायरेक्टली you can use these statements. I hope
Yes,
it's clear to
ma'am.
everyone.
Yes,
Okay, fine. Now just look at theorem 6.3. 6.345 statements are sufficient. 6.3 theorem is if a transversal intersect two lines such that a pair of alternate interior angles is equal, then the two lines are parallel. I hope you all can understand. It is reverse case of this only.
Yes, ma'am.
Listen, this theorem you prove yourself. I am telling you what is required. जहाँ पर जो इसमें to prove part है. Now for theorem 6.3, to prove is lines L and LM are parallel. And given part is angle 2 is equal to angle 3. बिल्कुल इसका reverse case है. जो theorem 6.3 है उसमें जो given part है वो आपका होगा these angles are equal और जो आपका to prove part है वो आएगा lines are parallel. बाकी बिल्कुल सेम ऐसे ही चलेगा. इस बार हमने जो एंगल वहां हम ऑपोजिट से वर्क कर लेंगे. यहाँ पे भी हमने करस्पॉन्डिंग से स्टार्ट किया था, वहां पे भी हम करस्पॉन्डिंग से करेंगे. ध्यान से देख के बताओ किसी को डाउट है थ्योरम 6.3 में? नो. 6.2 and 3 both are similar. If a transversal intersect two parallel lines and each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary. That means now you need to prove. To prove में आ जाएगा theorem 6.3 में that angle 2 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. That means अगर आपको दो parallel lines given हैं, alternate interior angles equal हैं, तो आपको ये proof angles का sum है. That is supplementary. Supplementary you must have read in class 8 also. Supplementary angles कौन से होते हैं जिनका sum कितना होता है 180. And till in complementary angles
90
The sum
degree.
is 90 degree.
very good. If sum is 90, if sum of two angles is 90, then complement 180, then these are supplementary angles. तो आपको ये प्रूफ करना है कि ये दोनों का सम 180 होगा. अब आपने ये प्रूफ करना है सबसे पहले कि एंगल 1 एंगल 2 के इक्वल है बाय अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल. इट इज गिवन टू यू. एंगल 6 एंड एंगल 5 आर इक्वल. इन द सेम वे यू विल वर्क फ्रॉम. अब की बार आपको यहां से स्टार्ट करना है. हमें ये प्रूफ करना है कि इन दोनों का सम 180 है. एंगल 1 is equal to angle 2. किसी को डाउट है?
No, ma'am.
Why? These two are equal.
Vertically opposite angle.
Vertically
Very
opposite.
Vertically opposite angle. हमें आना है 2 और 5 को रिलेट करना है. सबसे पहले ये देखना होता है हमें पहुंचना कहाँ है. We need to reach at angle 2 and angle 5. That's why
Ma'am,
we are
6 and
starting
5.
with this.
Ma'am, 6
Angle
and 5
1 is
also.
equal to 6 and 5 we can take. 5 is equal to angle 6. Again, vertically opposite angle. This reason is sufficient. Now, angle 2 plus angle 8 is 180. Could you tell me why?
Ma'am,
Angles on a same
ma'am, linear
line.
pair.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
linear pair.
Angles on a same
linear
line we
pair.
take when we have more than 2. है ना? Angles on the same line हम कर लेते हैं when we have more than 2, and if in this situation we are working only on 2 angles, so that's why linear pair. And angle 3 plus angle 5 is again 180 due to linear pair. हमें इन दोनों के सम पे वर्क करना है. Can you relate these two? क्या 8 और 5 में कोई रिलेशन है?
Ma'am, angle 5 equals to angle 5 equals
Can
to
we equate equations
angle
3
8.
and 4? Can we equate these two equations? These two
Yes,
are equal,
ma'am.
na? This is
Yes,
also
ma'am.
180.
Yes,
This is also 180. So angle 2 plus angle 8 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 5, and both are equal to 180. Children, can you see angle 8
Yes,
is
ma'am.
equal to angle 5?
Alternate
Yes, ma'am.
interior.
Why?
Ma'am, alternate interior.
Alternate interior angle. It is already given in question. So if angle 8 is equal to angle 5, so angle 2 plus angle 8 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 8 cancel. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3. यहाँ से हमें ये मिल गया कि angle 2 और angle 3 इक्वल है. But we need to reach हमें यहाँ पहुंचना है angle 2 और angle 5 में. हमें तो इसकी जरूरत ही नहीं है. हमें तो angle 2 और 5 को ऐड करना है. इसकी हमें जरूरत ही
So,
नहीं पड़ी.
ma'am,
तो do one thing.
मैम जब मैम हमने एंगल 5 प्लस एंगल 3 इक्वल्स टू 180 लिया था
ऐड
तो
कर
मैम
दो.
सीधा मैम एंगल 3 को
बराबर भी नहीं
एंगल 2
रखते,
के
हम इन
बराबर
दोनों
रख
को
देते
सीधा
हैं.
ऐड कर देते. हम सिंपली लेंगे एंगल 2 प्लस एंगल 8 प्लस एंगल 3 प्लस एंगल 5 इज इक्वल टू 360. वी कैन
Yes,
टेक
ma'am.
sum of these two, angle 2, angle 8, angle 3, angle 5, and you know that
Ma'am,
angle 8 and angle 5 are equal.
Yes, ma'am. We can write angle 5 as angle 8.
Angle 8 plus angle 8, angle 2 plus angle 3 plus 2 times angle 8, and I am replacing 5. 8 I am not taking, I am taking 5. 2 times of angle 5 is. Now tell me, do you have any relation between 2 and 3 also?
Yes, ma'am. Alternate interior.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can, ma'am, we can write angle 3 as angle 2 also.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I take it as angle 2 now?
Yes, ma'am.
But
Yes, ma'am.
side में आपको 2 is equal to angle 3 and angle 8 is equal to angle 5.
Ma'am,
Reason
then-
behind?
Ma'am, alternate interior.
Then angle 2
then
plus
2 will
angle
come
5
from
is.
तो ऐसे भी तो कर सकते थे कि मैम अगर हम मैम एंगल 2 को एंगल 3 के बराबर रख देते और एंगल 5 प्लस मैम
You can take. That is another method of the same question. You can use that method.
मैम एंगल 5 प्लस एंगल 3 मैम 180 है मैम बिकॉज़ लीनियर पेयर है मैम एंगल 3 को एंगल 2 के बराबर रख
You can
वहीं
take
से
that
निकल
also.
जाता
नहीं निकल जाएगा.
अच्छा.
शायद से नहीं. 100% it's true. That is also fine. You can use that method also. In maths, especially in theorems, you have 3-4 methods.